Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting episode of the CorpersVibez show. I'm your host Marthnez, and today we're diving into a very important topic, the NYSC registration process, and everything you need to know before heading to camp. If you're a final year student or a Prospective Corps Member, PCM, this episode is definitely for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
In this video, we are going to go through step by step how to register for NYSC. NYSC stands for Nigerian Youth Service Corps. It's for those who are through with university. It's like a military service kind of. So you log into NYSC portal, you click the first one. This interface will display the red one, this red sign which shows NYSC mobilization by sea, etc, etc. So you click that, it takes you to your interface. You first of all have to log into your email. You have to have email. You have to have a phone number, because a link will be sent to your email which you will use to register it. They will send you a link. You click the link through your email. You can use any email. Some people are saying, should I use that one which I use for Jam or whatever? Any email can serve Yahoo, Gmail, but it's advisable you use Gmail to avoid any complication. You do fresh registration, so you need it so that you need this registration, as in registration for the registration, because this is the first step. You put your email, you confirm your email, then you put your secret code. This secret code is very useful in case you misplace your password or you have some complications with your portal, as in your dashboard. This secret code is needful. That's when you need it. So make it simple, make it short, but make it memorable, as in something you can easily remember. So you log in your secret code. After that, you click in continue. Once you click in continue, you see it, an email will be sent to you. Good. So you have to move straight to your Gmail. Good. You move straight to your Gmail. You are moving straight. Good. Good. You see that NYSC confirmation email address. You click it. You click this. Voila, you are good to go. Then you work on this. You register. You start from this. You start from it. Good. If you're a foreign student, we'll make the video on foreign students and national students. So you fill all these database. You fill in your JAM number if you did part-time, as in if you school in open university, or if you're a foreign student, you don't need a JAM number. Or if you are international student, you need the JAM number. You put the name of your institute, you put in your registration number, as in your matric number. Then you put in your program, part-time, full-time, anyone you did. After which you put in your password. This password, anything can go. 1 to 6 can go, anything can go. So you get that done. Once that is done, you continue. So that is being done. This registration is not smooth sailing. I have imputed all I did, and still it's as if it's not qualified for NYSC registration. He is. Yeah, he's qualified, but this registration is very tricky. So when you meet this kind of thing, what you need to do is go to the institute, change the institute to a wrong one, then put in the right one. It will display. And if it did not display, you check the Senate list. Once the name is in the Senate list, try it again. It will work. Okay, so once that is done, you agree, then you click continue. Then if you face anything like this, all you need to do is to go back. Don't panic. Go back and do the biometrics. This is the new NYSC biometrics. The NYSC biometrics, they have kind of upgraded it. So you register through accredited registration centers. Before you can do it with your mobile phone and thumbprint, but now you need to go to the accredited center to get registered as a thumbprint. Okay, you see, you put in your password, you put in your okay. So this is the thumbprint. This is the thumbprint. You thumbprint the left, the right. So that is it. Then you have to insert the pictures. The pictures must be around. So you take your thumb, your left thumb first, your right. Then after that, you take it again. You thumbprint 2 times. Okay, good. The first one is done. Go again. The left. Okay, move to the right. The right. Okay, voila. You have to wait. You don't have to just immediately move ahead. You have to wait for it to show you successful enrollment. Good, you have successfully enrolled. Now the registration starts proper. This is where you just put in your database, put in your blog group, your whatever. So this is where I leave you to put in all your credentials. After putting it in, you continue. It always log out. It has logged out now. You have to be fast. It always log out itself. Good. You put in your database, as in your data, your blog group, your genotype, your address, permanent address, address and name of next of kin, contact in case of emergency, contact in case of death, and the rest. And all the addresses have to be unique. If it's repeated, it will not go, and it doesn't have to be a number. There will not be a number attached to it. After that, you put in your primary school, the date you started, the date you ended. You put in your secondary school, the date you started, the date you ended. You put in your tertiary, as your institution. If you went to poly, you put it. Then you started. You select your shoes, select the language you speak, select the state you've gone. Some people say that the state you select determines, though it determines, but the thing is that we don't know if the state you've gone is the state they will put you. But that one is not an issue. You can easily remobilize. After camp, when they place you to a place you don't like, after camp, you do remitter. You remobilize. You can still do it in camp. You can remobilize yourself in camp without payment. But when you come out from camp, you need to pay 1,000 something, close to 2,000 to remobilize. That's, by the way, we'll do a video on it. But if you have any question on that or any clarification on that, feel free to communicate with us. Contact us. Our number is displayed above, and you can drop your comment in the description below. So if you want to digitally sign your signature, fine and good. If you want to scan, fine and good. Over here I'm using a scan one, so I scan the signature. Good. I pick for my device that I have scanned it. I pick it. And your signature, you see, I'm concising the size. It was too big. Your signature must be below, I think 7 MB or so, no kilobyte. So after that, you bend it. It's been bended. Good. That's the signature. Then you preview. After previewing, you submit. it's good you preview too, because once you make a mistake, it's very, very hard to rectify. So after that, now you log in. Once you log in, you now take your other right side, not the left. Put in your email, put in your password. Make sure you don't forget your password. Voila, Corpersvibez, it's done. Then the completion, the payment, the registration is not complete. You have to click that place for payment. Good. Then you generate remitter. You can go to bank and pay. You can pay with your card. Here we are paying with our card. You generate it. Good. You click. Just be following the video. I blur it for security reasons and for YouTube policy, but you can still follow it step by step. You can still see what is going on. Okay. So remitter is being generated. You submit. Okay. You slot in your code. You put it in. Okay. I'm putting in my details. After putting it in, OTP will be sent to you. You put in the OTP code that was sent to you. Then after that is it. The payment is done. Once the payment is done, there is no problem. You wait after 24 hours, some 24 hours, some within hours, some within some few minutes. That is where you are going to print out your slip. You print out your slip after some few minutes, or maximally 24 hours after the payment. Mind you, after filling the form, you must do the payment, and the payment at the moment now is almost 3,000 something, 2,000 naira something, then plus bank charges, and that will take you to 3,000 something. Okay, so after the payment, now an email will be sent to you, the receipt, the voucher will be sent to you, the receipt will be sent to you. So that is how the form is being registered.
So in this video, I am going to be telling you guys what to pack for your NYSC. Okay, you can probably tell that from the title of this video, and this video is going to be grouped in 5 different parts. Part A being your documents, 2 stationaries, 3 what to pack, which are your daily needs, okay, of the stress and other routine drugs. Next up, my white handkerchiefs. I got a pack of white handkerchiefs, okay, because we'll be using this during our exercise and other things. Then I went with this waterproof coat and a shower cap, because this is raining season, and also shower cap in case when I'm going to shower. Then I got my food flasks and my water bottle, and my cutleries also by the side of my food flasks. Next thing I got is my bathroom slippers, which is a bit higher than the regulars because I don't want water splashing on my body during bath. Okay, so the next thing I also packed into this was my sunscreen from Dr. Rachel's, my sunglasses and my normal glasses into the box. The next thing I'm packing is my roll of tissue, the big size, just like this. Then the next thing I'm packing is my disinfectant, okay, one side. The next thing I'll be packing would be my wipes, cotton board and sanitary pad, okay, straight into the box, just like this. I would have to arrange all of this later, but let's just put into the box so you can see what to pack, okay. Next up is a bottle of Jig for my wipes and disinfecting other areas, okay. So straight into the box. Please make sure you seal this thing, the cover, carefully, because this is Jig. You don't want that pouring into your box, okay. Next thing is my torch. I'm going with this torch, very well, like fully charged. Fully charged, guys. So this one, because I'm still a business owner, I still read books. So into the box. And the next thing I'll be packing will be my Bible, straight into the box. Very important. Please go with your Bible. Now, if you still have stuffs you haven't packed, this is the right time to pack them and then zip up. Okay. And other things that I'll be going with will be my baler, my potty, and my bathing bucket. Make sure you go with yours because these are highly expensive in the Mami market. Also go with a mosquito net because they'll be feasting on you, and go with a lot of cash. I think I'll also be going with this umbrella because this is a raining season. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you missed any of our previous ones, don't worry. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and share our YouTube channel so others can benefit too. And please, follow us on all social media platforms at CorpersVibez to stay updated on all our exciting episodes. CorpersVibez, the experience every Corps member needs.